Unlocking memories. The power of jogging someone's memory. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations: jog someone's memory. This video will explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you incorporate this phrase into your everyday English. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding these phrases can enhance your conversational skills significantly. Jog someone's memory refers to doing or saying something that helps another person remember a piece of information, an event, or a person that they had forgotten. Imagine your mind as a path filled with memories. Sometimes, a memory gets lost along the way. When you jog someone's memory, it's like you're gently shaking or nudging that path, helping the lost memory find its way back. Using jog someone's memory in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's often used when someone is trying to recall a fact or a past event but is struggling to do so. You might suggest a clue or a hint that could help them remember. For example, showing you these old photos might jog your memory about our trip to Paris. Does mentioning the beach jog your memory about where you left your sunglasses? Notice that it's typically used in situations where the person you're talking to needs a little help recalling something. Let's look at some conversational examples to see how this phrase can be naturally integrated into English dialogue. Person A: I can't seem to remember where we met for the first time. Person B: maybe talking about the annual town festival will jog your memory? Or in another scenario, Person A: I forgot the name of the movie we watched last month. Person B: let me describe the plot to you. It might jog your memory. These examples show how offering additional details or context can help someone recall forgotten information. Understanding and using phrases like jog someone's memory can significantly improve your fluency and make your conversations more engaging and helpful. It's all about the subtle art of helping others recall memories without directly telling them the answer. We hope this video has jogged your memory about the importance of learning such expressions in English. Keep practicing, and you'll find your conversations becoming richer and more natural. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.